Okay, so we get very technical here and go all the way through all these motorcycles, the ATVs, side-by-sides, whatever, so it's easy to forget the simple stuff. So a frequently asked question that is simple here is mirror adjustment. There's many different styles, but this particular one can give people trouble, especially if you're new to the sport of motorcycling. So on your mirror, you have the obvious up, down, left, right, but you're limited on the left, right. That's when this portion of the mirror you will adjust for the major adjustment. So to do this, you simply slide up the rubber boot to get to these nuts, and these nuts work together to secure this in place. And if you don't get these properly tightened, this is going to flop around. You know, usually it happens when you're riding and the wind's blowing on the mirror. So the only tricky part about this is that the top nut usually is reverse threads. So you'll hold the bottom nut. See if I do it the right way. Yep. And then loosen this. Okay, that allows you to move this portion back and forth while this part stays stationary. So to do this properly, you want to get this part in and get it tight. This simply threads down in there just like normal threads, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Now sit on your motorcycle and get your handlebars situated and get your mirror where you want it. Then make sure this remains here stationary, the bottom nut. Get that one where you want it, and then tighten this one down, and then you're good to go. Usually what happens when people do this, when they're not aware this is reverse threads, they round the nuts off, and then you really can't hardly get them loose again. So just a quick tip there on adjusting your mirrors.